A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of class 11th and 12th, subject Environment Science. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today it is our combined class and we are going to celebrate this day as World Environment Day. Today is World Environment Day. Let us discuss first what is World Environment Day. World Environment Day is one of the biggest annual events organized by the United Nations to generate awareness about the significance of nature. World Environment Day is observed on June 5th every year to remind people about the importance of nature. The day is celebrated across the world to inform people that nature should not be taken for granted and must be respected for its values. It is important to note that the World Health Organization has joined UN decade on ecosystem restoration, a mission to prevent, reverse the degradation of ecosystem and the diversity of life they sustain. World Health Organization work as a collaborating agency along with the United Nations Environment Programme, the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, among other partners. Now, what is the history of World Environment Day? World Environment Day is one of the biggest annual events organized by the United Nations to generate awareness about the significance of nature. The United Nations Assembly established World Environment Day in 1972, which was the first day of the Stockholm Conference on Human Environment. In 1974, the theme of the World Environment Day was Only the Earth. Since then, various host countries have been celebrating it. World Environment Day was first observed in 1974 in the United States. The concept behind observing World Environment Day is to focus on the importance of the environment and to remind people that nature should not be taken for granted. This day is observing across the world to respect and acknowledge everything that the environment has given mankind and to take the pledge that to protect it. World Environment Day is celebrated annually. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th of June and the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment first held in 1974. It has been a platform for raising awareness on environment issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. World Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. Each year, the program has provided a theme and forum for business, non government organizations, communities, governments, and celebrities to educate environmental causes. The concept behind the concept behind observing World Environment Day is to focus on the importance of the environment and to remind people that nature should not be taken for granted. This day is observing across the world to respect and acknowledge everything that the environment has given mankind and to take the pledge that to protect it. The theme for 2018 was Beat Plastic. The host nation was our country, India. And the theme for 2019 was Beat Air Pollution. The host nation was China. The theme was chosen as air pollution kills about 7 million people annually. And the theme for 2020 was Time for Nature and was hosted in Colombia in partnership with Germany. World Environment Day theme 2021. The theme of this year, World Environment Day, is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore, as this year marks the beginning of the United Nations decade on ecosystem restoration. Pakistan is the global host for the day this year to highlight the importance of ecosystem restoration this year. At last, my request is that do not pollute water, land, air, and environment because once it is lost forever. Happy Environment Day 2021. World Environment Day is a reminder that we must take good care for our surroundings. Let's make a promise to make our planet a greener and healthier place for us to live and enjoy life. Keep your surroundings clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Wishing you a very happy World Environment Day. Let us be responsible for our environment. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.